All right, boys and girls, today is a good day. Today is one of those days to say, hell yeah, brother, like Cletus McFarland. Why? Because the Ram TRX could re enter production in 2026. Get this, the Hellcat V8 Power TRX could come back with even more power. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, so let's get there. So I was kind of looking at some of the analytics on this channel, and I seen a few people who have quote unquote supported the channel throughout the years, and all of a sudden they're not following the channel anymore. The only thing I could tell you was nice to meet you. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. And I love you guys who are rocking still with the channel. So what is going on, everybody? So the everyone's favorite Ram truck might return from the dead. The last time it was here, Ram ended production of the Hemi V8 in I believe it was November or December. I believe it might have November of 2023. And then they moved on to the Hurricane 6-cylinder. Well, now with CEO Tavares gone, the Ram TRX is coming back into play. So let's get into the article. We have a Motor One article here, and we also have the email that leaked everything from a secret meeting that Dodge held with some dealers. So it says everyone's favorite Ram truck might return from the dead. A report from Mopar insiders, an unnamed source, claimed that the Hellcat V8 Power Ram 1500 TRX could re-enter production in 2026, this time with a more powerful version of the supercharged Hemi V8. Now, I want to look at this screenshot here that I took from Instagram. And this is the drive that is sharing the email that went out to the dealers. We can see that the 5.7 liter V8 is coming back. The 6.4 liter V8 is coming back in an assortment of different trucks, including the night version and stuff like that. Now, continuing with the article, it says Mopar insiders don't get specific about other specs, though if it's the same truck that carries the TRX moniker, we could definitely expect wider fenders, big all-terrain tires, and a long travel suspension with adjustable dampeners. Now, when it comes to the MSRP, you're most likely going to look at anywhere over 6 figures and stuff like that. Now, it says Ram ended production of the original TRX in November of 2023 with plans of eliminating the Hemi from its lineup. Look, I honestly don't get what was the deal with Carlos Tavares on why he went after the Hemi, because to me, again, if you put in a bubble everything that's American muscle, you throw in Chevy, you throw big block, you throw in Ford, you throw the Mustang, you throw the Challenger, the Charger, you just make a big bubble of American made V8 muscle cars. How are you not gonna have Dodge and Hemi? And how are you gonna kill what represents or the identity when it comes to the V8 motor from Dodge, meaning going after the Hemi? That's like, Ford saying, okay, we're gonna kill off the Coyote motor and now we're just gonna give you a V6 twin turbo. Look, the Ram 1500 HRO, which carries many of the same chassis upgrades, was just that, but it was replaced with the 6-cylinder, with a straight 6 twin turbo instead of the V8. Now, that is a good engine. A lot of YouTubers have used it. A lot of YouTubers are tuning with it, and they're using it, and they're running down at the quarter mile. They're running down the track, and it's a great engine. It makes a lot of power, and it seems to be reliable. But there's nothing that will carry over the identity of the company like Hemi and Dodge itself. Now, Ram obviously declined when reached over by Motor One any info because, surprisingly enough, it's considering that car companies really don't tend to, they tend to avoid divulging into different information of the future. It is great that we can see the Ram TRX coming back into production in 2026 after the last time we saw it was in 2023 in November. Now, again, the straight 6 will still be there. It was going to carry over like it's going to carry over in the Daytona with the new EV one that's coming out. The new EV vehicle that's coming out from Dodge. Some people are going to mess with it. Some people are going to like the straight 6 because, again, it's a twin turbo based engine and it makes a lot of power. But for the Ram truck enthusiasts, this is an amazing, pretty much an amazing news. Look, I'm not the biggest fan of Ram, and this got me hyped up because it is amazing to see that the Ram 1500 TRX could coming back into the table. Remember, the last truck saw a version of 717 horsepower. And then the more powerful 797 Red Eye that was later on sold on different versions of the Charger and the Challenger. What this one is gonna get that's more powerful, we don't know yet. We could definitely see the 5.7 on the email, and we could see the 6.4. So that's gonna be great times ahead for Dodge and the TRX enthusiasts. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, this is amazing news today. Hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boys. I'll see you on the next one.